What's
you know?
what you probably? I mean, we've all slept with girls. What's your favorite race?
You know, I probably slept with predominantly white women. Some women don't like. I think some women just don't like. They don't
like you.
come on to you.
Like I've never had sex with a black chick.
Yeah.
I've just never like I've hooked up with one, but
Yeah.
I don't have my black belt.
Yeah.
It's kind of intimidating.
Yeah, it's like I don't know if I can handle it, bro.
You got to be like fucking consistently, kind of. I feel.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, that's the thing. It's like kind of like, do you want this gel? Yeah, I don't want to underwhelm, bro. And I don't want to go into a place where I know I'm gonna underwhelm. That's the thing.
No,
but some black chicks,
you guys
like,
are wrong.
Manager Drew, like he's like really white, and like black chicks just come on to him like
that's
crazy.
that's the Napoleon
But he's like
Dynamite
really
effect.
pale.
I have one time.
Wow, so you haven't getting out at all.
Latinas.
Really?
Yes.
Yeah.
Have you been with a redhead? Oh.
I don't know if I have. I have.
Yeah. Have you?
I can't. I don't know.
Dude, you guys,
Dude,
you don't
gotta
explore
get
enough.
out. We need to take you
Actually,
to
I haven't had a civilian Asian.
Fucking
This guy has a hooker
come to
addiction.
that. Come to the room appointment.
Like, I'm not
bro.
even fucking with you. Yeah. Like
Oh, wow.
he has a hooker addiction.
and you do men or women? Wow, brother, you wild.